Hi, I'm Tanya, and this is a new course, Make It Cursive. And you need something to write with and something to write on. I usually use the used paper because I use it a lot and I don't want to waste it. And I advise you to do the same. So let's get started. And make it cursive, make it faster. Okay, let's pretend that you're having classes and you're as hungry as a pack of wolves. You're dreaming about a hamburger and there is no Wi-Fi. And you can see a groupmate comrade suspiciously looking at you writing something. And in the ideal world, it would be like this. Пойдем в столовую. Let's go to the canteen. But in the real world, you probably get this kind of, cursive. So that's my actual writing. Пойдем в столовую. You try your best, but still, what? Now, we'll have a closer look step by step. First, let's write it in block letters. Next, I write it classic, optimistic cursive letters. Let's switch off the fast mode and I'll use my real handwriting. There are some variations of the letters such as P, D, T, and U a little. And now I try to write it faster. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And now even more faster. So we have something close to what we've got. Great. We did it. And we did it well. And мы пойдем в столовую. Now the last step is to find the reason to get out safely. Thank you. Спасибо. Let's write it. Subscribe to the channel and be alpha when it comes to Russian cursive. See you!